psquare.
Hello and what's up guys, welcome to another video on Naija Daily. So guys, Psquare is back together with another track titled Jaiye. So before I continue, if you enjoyed this content, I will appreciate if you subscribe to this channel so as we get this channel to 1,000 subscribers guys. So Psquare, also known as Peter and Paul, broke up a couple of years ago. So they came back together stronger and better with this same Psquare energy, this same Psquare vibe. They released a song titled Jaiye. So I'll leave highlight of this video with you. And also tell me what you feel about this song by commenting your opinion in the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe. Peace.